Hi everyone and welcome to the course lecture. Today I'm going to tell you how you can use pyscript.write function. Yes, जैसे आप देखते हैं कि आप javascript में use कर सकते हैं document.write. Like that only we have pyscript.write. Let me quote one example here. Quickly, let's quote like in JS we have document.write like that only in pyscript.js we have pyscript.write. Let's see how you can use this. So in order to use this, let's take one example. I'm going to use username is equal to, let's say, sid, and then you need pyscript.write function, and the first parameter, in the first parameter you are going to pass the id. Okay, id of HTML element. So let me take one h1 tag. Okay, and here let me give one class, sorry, not class, id, and id will be result like this. My id is going to be a result. Sorry for the inconvenience caused. Let me just mute my notifications like this, and now I can write here my id result in my case, and here the result you want to output. For example, hello, this is a script dot write function. Okay, so just let's save this and go to your browsers, reload, let this thing compile, compile, and here you go, like this. So like this you can use pyscript.write to output your result in a separate HTML element. Okay, so if you like the video, please do do hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe my channel, because I bring lots and lots of videos like this, and on my channel you will find over 22 plus technologies and languages to learn. So do hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, please press the like button, and if anything is wrong and anything is doubtful, please leave it in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next lecture.